Sip Truth Literacy Lounge.
Hello, friends. Have you ever tried to make something special, only to discover that an important piece was missing? Today, we join Mia and Grandma Rose on a tasty mystery called the Missing Recipe Adventure. Every Saturday morning, Mia helped Grandma Rose bake delicious treats.
Good morning, Grandma. What are we baking today?
Friendship cookies, Mia. Everyone in town loves them. But as Grandma opened the recipe book, her smile disappeared. Oh dear!
What happened?
The friendship cookie recipe is missing! Without the recipe, they couldn't remember every ingredient.
What should we do?
We'll solve the mystery! Mia's eyes sparkled. A mystery adventure was about to begin. Mia, let's find that recipe.
Okay, Grandma. In the drawer?
And I'll check the shelves.
Not in this one. Nothing under here either.
Not behind this one.
Looks a drawer. Look, Grandma! A clue!
The first clue had a sentence with a missing word. The cookies need 6 cups of flour.
2. The missing word is 2.
As soon as Mia solved the clue, another one appeared. The next clue said, this recipe needs 1 sweet ingredient.
1. It needs 1 sweet ingredient.
Excellent! The clues led them around the house.
A wooden spoon.
Perfect! With every clue they solved, they remembered another part of the recipe. Soon they had flour, sugar, butter, and chocolate chips. The next clue led them into the garden. The clue said, the secret ingredient is blank and sweet.
Bananas.
Very good, Mia. The final clue pointed toward the old cookie jar on top of the refrigerator.
We found it!
Inside the jar was the missing recipe page and a special note. The note said, if you can complete every sentence, you deserve the recipe. I created this game years ago to help children practice reading and sentence building.
So it wasn't really lost.
Now it was finally time to bake. They measured carefully, mixed slowly, and worked together as a team. Soon, the kitchen filled with the wonderful smell of freshly baked friendship cookies. When the cookies were ready, they shared them with their neighbors. These are delicious! Wow, thank you!
They're wonderful.
The secret ingredient isn't just bananas. It's teamwork, patience, and learning. Every new word is like a clue, and every sentence is another step towards solving a bigger puzzle. Keep reading, keep learning, and keep exploring. Goodbye, friends! Sip Truth Literacy Lounge.